We started with two simple questions. Why doesn't my mobile device work the way that I work? And why does it always seem like there's a wall between me and my stuff? While thinking about those questions, we built a simple, straightforward mission: to build a mobile device that operates the way that you do and helps you do what you want to do and get to what you want to get to. Easier said than done, you say? Actually, we did it. HP's Slate running webOS answers that mission's call with beautiful, powerful, and intuitive solutions that will change the way that you do everything. An OS that gives you the ability to actually do more than one thing at the same time. An OS that keeps your digital life in sync and up to date across your devices. A notification system that tells you what you need to know without completely interrupting you and stopping you from doing what you're doing. An OS that knows what you want to do and helps you do it from the second you start typing. A device that lets you just tap to instantly share information whenever you need to share it. A device that recognizes which charger it's been placed on and turns on functions that are relevant to that charger's location. An ability to answer calls to your phone from your Slate. An OS that works the way that you do, across all your devices. HP Slate and webOS, an intuitive, fluid, and beautiful way to integrate your physical and digital lives. And yes, it really is that simple. HP.